Fred Meyer. Got to get some last minute essentials before we leave for this trip. Got to get some food, mostly fresh goods, bananas, you know, all the essentials.
249. Place item in.
Had to stop for gas. Just fill with regular. You know how it is.
Tried to hide, but now you know it. That I'm at an all-time low.
Just waiting for a niece. I'm gonna get him rolling up on his bike. Hey! Oh, thanks, man. What's up, dude? I'm Finn.
Finn, I'm Kerek.
Kerek, good to meet you, man.
You too.
You're on the vlog. He made it.
Vlog?
He made it, dude.
That's what's up. I just try him. You look so good. Bro, just try on the life. Bro. Frat life.
30 cents to make.
30 cents? That's a nice piece of wood.
Just waiting in the Ross line. Got these sweet shorts.
Got some socks. Some sweeter shorts.
Oh, that's cold. That's cold. I don't know. Folks, what do you think? Which one is sweeter? Post in the comments below.
Pretty sweet.
Pretty sweet.
I like that. Definitely.
You're gonna put him back in his cage?
No.
We made it.
Yeah, hit a row.
To the park.
Yeah, we did. Better be basketball court.
Oh man, this is 0 calories. Absolutely.
Just like our propels.
No calories.
Propels.
All we do is no calories. What's up, YouTube? Said pull and I pushed it. I got 2 burritos.
The guy was like, 2? You want 2?
I really like the way you rock a sweatsuit when you're working out, and I'm just watching how your legs move. They would think that you was like.
Oh yeah, no stairs.
It's daylight, man.
Daytime.
Daytime, bro. Daytime, bro.
Do you have a sleeping pad?
Got that tent set up. Got that bag full of stuff. Got that car. Back. What? Yeah. Vlog life, bro. Good morning, YouTube. We slept so well last night. Unbelievable. Anise, how did you sleep?
I'll tell you.
Anyway, we're gonna go hike Eagle Creek. We're gonna go check out a lookout point here soon. Right now we're on top of the mountain or somewhere. We're on some like back road. It's where we camped last night. It's pretty great. Anise, what are your thoughts on that banana? Pretty good. I'm about to enjoy my banana, so let's get it. Welcome to Vista Point, where we say Vista and we point. I got a 5. 2, 3, thank you. Have a good one.
Look at him crossing the river, bro.
Oh yeah, get that panel. Oh yeah, on the road. Oh, I'm speeding. 15. Not bad. Well, after we went to Eagle Creek, which was still closed, we tried to go to a different place on the Oregon side of the Columbia River Gorge, and it was also closed. And then we ran into this dude that didn't want us to park on the side of the road because that area was closed and his only job was to tell us no. So now we are hiking Hamilton Mountain because that's what was open. So we're back in the Washington side and we're walking up the road because the parking lot is full. So we're just getting in those extra miles. Anise, how you feeling?
Pretty full.
Pretty full. Kerek?
Pretty jerk. Ready to hike this mountain?
Hamilton Mountain. Round 2. Round uno for these guys though. Yeah. 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 Welcome back, YouTube. We have made it to the top of Hamilton Mountain. These dudes are, well, yeah, kind of. That's actually the top, but we're not gonna go that far. But check it out. Got a nice view up here. That is so cool. That's so cool, dude. Woo! Whoa! Grind, don't stop!
I kind of want to go under the actual waterfall.
Just dropped off Anise. Trip is over. And of course, gonna end it with just a little bit of John Bellion because that's what's up. See you guys.
It's like a massage.